got a box and it's from Home Testers Club. And I need to use my knife. Okay, bye-bye knife. Let's see. This is a Onn MFI locator, and it helps you find your with the app, helps you find your missing items. And this works with Apple Find My Phone, and it's an add-on. It's similar to Tag, and you use this with the Apple Find Me app. So I'm gonna get ahead, go to the app, read the instructions, then we'll be back. This is a tracker locator, and it's thin. It has a loop, so it'd be great for on your keys in case you need to find where you may have misplaced your keys, or even on a dog collar to find out where your pet is. Okay, I'm going on my phone, and I'm going into the app store, and I'm looking for Find My, and there's Find My right there. I'm going to get ahead and hit on that and open it up. And once you do that, you hit on the locator, and then it finds the locator, and it tells you that it is linked to your Apple ID. Then you are able to use an emoji to be able to pinpoint where it's located, and it will show you on the map. Easy to hook up. If you want more information, look in my description below this video. Bye-bye.